Hey everybody, I just received the rest of my stuff from TEMU. So here's the package. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside. I'm super excited, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. We've got our unboxing knife here. See what we get from TEMU. Got all kinds of stuff here. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. Got some boxes here, different items we'll take a look at. And of course, we got the TEMU bag. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the first item here. And so this is I think this may be the camera mount. So let's go ahead and open this up. And just cut that. Put it off to the side. Now let's see what we have in here. Okay, so this is actually super excited to get these. I wanted to get some speakers for my desktop setup, and these were highly rated on TEMU. We'll go ahead and check them out. They've got some RGB lighting, they're supposed to at least. So let's go ahead and open that up. There we go. Set that off to the side. So, yeah, so these are from, I'm not sure if that's Bravo I. Not sure how you pronounce that, but anyway, these are some little speakers here for the desktop setup. We'll go ahead and plug those in. Looks like they've got some little rubber here to protect it. So let me go ahead and plug these in and we'll take a look at them. Okay, and as you can see, we got some different RGB lighting happening here. Not in your face, a bit subtle, which is what I was looking for, but we'll need to test these out, see how the sound is. But anyway, these are the first item we've got here, and I picked these up on TEMU. These were, let's see, I think these were about $16. So they are mini speakers that we're going to go ahead and check out by Bravo Smart Lifestyle. Let's go ahead and move on to the next item we have. Okay, next up we have not sure what this is, so we'll go ahead and let's get it open and find out. Okay. Oh, okay, these are the in-ear monitors that I picked up. So I wanted a pair of these monitors, especially for when I'm doing video editing, listening to media. Heard these ones were pretty good. So let's go ahead and slide them out and see what we get. All right, so don't forget the original intention using earphones is to enjoy music. All right, and get this out. So we got this cover, and it looks like we've got, these should be the wires here. There we go. Okay, and so you've got your audio jack, so 3.5 millimeter headset jack, and then these are the connections here that are going to plug into the ear monitors. And so these are the monitors here. Let me go ahead and just get one out. And these are really cool. Really like the color of this too. They have different colors. So we're going to try these out. I'm hoping that these are going to be comfortable in the ear. They are silicone. So I'll check these out. But basically you pop these on just like so. Line up the connections and pop one on there. Pull the other one out, and we'll go ahead and hook up. And then you just pop these in your ear. Oh, looks like the little silicone thing stayed in there. There we go. Yeah, so these just go over your ears, and we'll go ahead. I'll insert some B-roll, show you what these look like wearing them, let you know how they sound, and if you should pick up some. Moving on, let's go ahead. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't think there is. I think there's. It looks like you got some extra tips. So that's nice that they throw those in there, different ear sizes. And then of course we have some instructions in here, just a user guide. All right. Let's see what we have next. Let's throw that off to the side. Okay, next step. We have a box. Okay. They don't really put anything on these as far as identifiers, so it's kind of like a surprise every time you open something up. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is a camera mount that I wanted to try out for my mirrorless camera, my desk setup. And so what this is it's a clamp that will connect to my existing mount that I have on the desk. Tighten that down, and then here we have the arm adjustment. So you can adjust this, we loosen this up, so you can adjust and position the camera as you need to. It also comes on this ball mount, so we can go ahead and hook that up, and we'll test this out. But I'm super excited to test this out. Need something to mount my camera a little bit better than what I have now. So we'll go ahead and check this out, let you know how it works, get it set up. But you can tighten and loosen the knob as needed, so you can get that perfect position, then tighten it down. And then we have our mount here, and it looks like this is just going to screw in like so. And then this will fit on a cold shoe mount, so we can mount this on. There we go. You can actually take that off if you need to. We can mount that on a camera. You could mount it on something that has a cold shoe mount, and then that's the adjustment there. So I'm really excited to check this out, get my camera on there, and do some test videos. So this, let's see. I think this one was about 12 bucks. So it's a camera bracket extension is what they call it. The ear monitors were like $8.42. So those are KZ EDX Pros. And then last I have here, I've been wanting to get a light for my monitor, and there's a lot of different ones out there. There's really expensive ones, and I wanted to check out and see what TEMU has. So this is the one I picked up, Source Screen Hanging Lamp. And so it has the lamp body, and there is stepless dimming, sorry. It has 3 different color temperatures, and it is USB. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, it usually stuff that comes from TEMU, the boxes are kind of beat up. It's kind of par for the course with TEMU. Let's go ahead and take this out. That is the light bar. Let's see, got some instructions, and it doesn't look like there's anything else in there, so we'll go ahead and take that off the side. It does come with so this is the USB cable. So it is USB-C to USB-A. Let's go ahead and get this out. Alright, and that is the monitor light. So this is supposed to mount right above your monitor. It's got the light. Looks like we've got our clamp here. So we'll get this mounted up, see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm super excited to check this out. I really wanted to get one of these, but didn't really want to spend spend a lot of money on them just to see if it's something that's going to work for my needs. But we'll go ahead, I'll insert some B-roll, show you what this looks like as well. And that looks like that is it for the rest of the TEMU haul that I have here. If you click on the link above, you can check out the previous video of the infinity lamp that I got. Super cool RGB light. There's like 260, I think, different lighting sets you can set up. Really nice for a desk setup. But that is all I have for you today. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel and click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos get uploaded. Appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.